Do y'all hear that shit? It sounds like Pac-Man. What the fuck? This is why I'm here. I'm used to seeing fungi feed on dead trees, but this fungi looks a little different. Kinda wanna touch it to feel the texture, kinda don't. But fuck it. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm not touching it anymore. It exploded. It popped like a pimple. But I've never really seen a shroom so red. Yeah, let me know if anybody knows what that is. The dead trees. Looks like it was burned or struck by lightning or I don't know what. But it's amazing. Check it out. It just has this like curvature to it.